You can thank New York Magazine for all.
I was listening to a podcast. That's what's happening. And now I'm going to open my mail super fast because I have a lot of things to do. It is a mess in here. Yeah, I'm still in my pajamas and it is 3 p.m. almost. Yeah. There's a lot of packages. So I am super curious as to what came in. What is the best angle for this? It's almost like I've never done this before. Every day's a new day here at Casa del Keely. Okay, I'm officially out of my goddamn tits. Okay. This is the last thing that I opened. It's a waxing kit. Yes, I am taking up waxing myself at home. It's probably not going to go very well, but, what they call a thrill seeker. Pull the chair. I'm sitting. I'm tired. I don't care anymore. Oh. Alrighty. Apparently, I've already opened this package. Oh, it fell on the floor. All right. Oh, this is from Vito. I would be naked without Vito. Thank you, Vito. Ooh, it is a tank top. I realize that I have barely any shirts randomly. I don't know why. So I decided to get some, get a little action because it's so hot. All I've been wearing is like the tiniest jean shorts, and it's too hot to wear anything but a tank top. Didn't have any. It is one of these days. I have been on multiple Zoom calls. I'm sure several of you out there can relate to. Yes, I was on my Zoom calls in my PJs because I don't give a fuck. Ooh. Okay. So I decided this year for Halloween, I am going to be Sharon Stone in Basic Instinct. Obviously, we're going to be doing a lot of this. Just kidding. I don't think she has that. So, this is piece number 1, which hopefully will be perfect. It is a white turtleneck dress, mini dress. So I'll be going like this, and I'll be like, "Why, hello. Why don't you arrest me for smoking?" So white turtleneck dress. So thank you. That's fun. It comes with a black belt. Obviously I won't be wearing it for the costume, but oh no, this belt is separate. This is just a different belt that was on my wish list. Okay. It's got a little snaky snake on it. So I was doing some window shopping in the Gucci store, and obviously Gucci's really cute. Gucci's also really expensive. But they had some really fun snake motifs. And so I found this belt on Amazon, which would give me a little bit of that sexy vibe without the Gucci prices. I keep losing my box cutter. This is, oh, here we go. It is hiding under my very cool oven mitt. I need to clean in here. It's just been chaotic. But I'm going to cook later, so I figure I'll probably clean while I'm cooking. I'm going to do a sausage white bean casserole situation. Another present. Oh, I think this is the other part of my Basic Instinct costume. This should be the jacket, which might be perfect. I might have to change out the dress though, because they're different color whites, and I'm crazy like that. pretty good, huh? The little mini dress. Why has I knows? With my vaginas. And new makeup bags because my last makeup bag that I loved, I got in Ricky's in New York, which has been closed for multiple years, so it's irreplaceable. But the bag itself was made out of mesh, which means that I could see it and see into it, but it was also breathable, so I could wash it and it would dry quickly, which is great for hygiene, which is important. What? Wow, that is a really fun question. 72856. Seriously, bro? I have 2 more boxes and then I'm gonna run. This jacket's pretty good. I wish it was slightly longer, but maybe that just means I need a shorter dress. That's probably the right option. Oh, it's another tank top. It is a white, what are we calling them? I know we can't call them white beaters. I know we can't call them boy beaters. What do we call these now? Love it. Here for it. Yeah. You cannot go wrong with a white tank top of the ribbed variety. Ribbed for her pleasure. Because I wear it as gay bait for sure. Because you know what, ladies? I have some tools. And I like to be butch. You will be the bitch. And finally, I am so curious as to what could be in this box because it is the size of me. Well, 3/4 of me. What do we think it is? It's awfully light, which is, I don't even know. Let's find out. It's a box. That's what I've got. I've got oh, I think I know what this is. I think this might be an item of home decor, which really gets my motor running. It's so hot, I can take this coat off. Maybe unbutton a button. I love decorating. And actually, part of the reason the kitchen is a mess is that I'm looking to replace the tile backsplash because it was installed improperly. And so everything got moved around. Oh my gosh, I think it's a lamp! I love lamp. If anyone wants to gift me with anything special, there's another one of these lamps on my wish list. Because it's not just any lamp. This lamp. This lamp has fringe. Take that, She-Hulk series. Yes. Oh, this lamp is everything I've ever wanted in a lamp. I feel deeply sexual about this lamp. I am gonna get arrested for being so goddamn stylish because of said lamp. Wow. This is amazing. This is a truly, Lamps are tricky, man. It's hard to find a good looking lamp that's not horrifically expensive, and this is gorgeous. Look at this. And suddenly I'm struck by the thought that if I am going to do a Sharon Stone for Halloween, I am going to want to put something on under my dress because I don't flash that for free. And is this the answer? Is this the merkin I've been looking for? Stay tuned to find out. Have a beautiful day. And clean your kitchens.